Homemade crispy ice cream. Crispy outer layer. Add milk and chocolate to the pot first. Heat slowly over low heat until the chocolate melts. Remove from heat and let dry to room temperature. Now let's whip the cream. Finally, it will be fine with slight texture like this. Pour in the cooled milk chocolate liquid. Stir to mix well. Put in ice cream mold. Now let's cook the crispy skin. We need chocolate and coconut oil. The chocolate starts to melt. No need to boil water. Add a handful of melon seeds. Stir well and remove from heat. Let it dry for about 5 minutes. Pour into a cup. Remove the ice cream from the mold. Dip it in the chocolate liquid and take it out. Wait a few seconds. Until the outer layer solidifies. It's best to freeze it for a few minutes. This way the crispy skin will be more solid. The cup for chocolate is preferably soft. Just cut the mineral water bottle in the middle. So when the chocolate liquid is not enough, if you squeeze it gently, the liquid will go up. This makes it easier to cover the entire ice cream. The crispy ice cream is ready. Let's try it. The outer layer is crispy. The ice cream inside is super delicate. It also has a rich milky flavor. It's so delicious. If you like ice cream, you must try it.